So in this question, we've got an object released above the surface of the Earth. So we might imagine there's an airplane, and we drop an object from that airplane. And we want to know what happens to the speed and the acceleration before it reaches terminal velocity. So we have terminal velocity at this point. So we could start either with the velocity or the acceleration. It doesn't matter which. So let's start out with the acceleration. And the acceleration, the instant it's dropped, we know is minus 10. And terminal velocity, by definition, is the point at which the velocity no longer increases. And if the velocity is not changing, the acceleration is 0. So we see the acceleration goes from 10 to 0. So if we look at the acceleration column in the choices, the acceleration does not remain constant. It does not remain constant. So we're at 50-50 right away. Now if we look at the velocity at the height of the airplane is 0. And it then increases to some value of terminal velocity. So we can see the velocity is going to increase, or the speed is going to increase. And it definitely does not remain constant. So we see that we have choice B, acceleration decreasing and the speed increasing.